Welcome to Fomstone. Since its establishment, Fomstone has been dedicated to the R&D, manufacturing, and production of marine cranes, providing efficient, reliable, and safe lifting solutions for global maritime operations. Our products are widely used on various vessels and offshore platforms, including cargo ships, oil tankers, container ships, and a range of marine operation platforms. In terms of technological innovation and product quality, Fomstone consistently maintains a leading position in the industry. Our marine cranes not only deliver excellent technical performance but also offer outstanding flexibility and adaptability to meet the diverse needs of our customers. At the same time, we place great emphasis on quality control and durability testing, ensuring stable operation of our products under various harsh marine environments. Fomstone holds ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 system certifications, as well as Classification Society certificates from CCS, BV, KR, NK, and ABS. These certifications reflect our professionalism and reliability in quality management, environmental protection, occupational health and safety, and marine standards, and have earned us the trust and recognition of customers worldwide. In addition to providing high-quality products, Fomstone is committed to offering comprehensive service support. Our professional team delivers customized solutions based on customers' actual needs and working conditions, and provides one-stop services including installation, commissioning, training, and after-sales maintenance. Always customer-focused, we strive to continuously enhance service quality and customer satisfaction. With excellent product quality and professional services, Fomstone's marine cranes have built a strong brand image worldwide. Looking ahead, we will continue to uphold the principles of innovation, quality, and service, constantly improving our technological capabilities and market competitiveness to provide even better lifting solutions for global maritime operations.